Hello everyone! Welcome to this A1 listening practice video. You can train your listening and comprehension skills as I speak. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Today, let's talk about free time. Everyone likes having free time after work or school. When we have free time, we can do things that make us happy. Different people like different activities. Some people like to stay inside their homes. They prefer to read books, listen to music, watch films on television, or surf the internet. Other people like to cook new food in the kitchen or play video games with their friends. Many people enjoy going outside in their free time. They like to walk in the park, ride a bicycle, or meet friends at a local cafe to drink coffee and talk. On warm, sunny days, families often go to the beach or have a picnic in the park. Exercise is also a popular activity. Many people run in the morning or go to the gym after work. Some people play team sports like soccer or basketball on the weekend. Exercise is good because it keeps your body healthy and strong. Weekend activities are very special for many people. On Saturday and Sunday, people usually do not work or go to school. Some families like to travel to another city or visit their grandparents. Other people prefer to clean their houses, buy groceries at the supermarket, or just sleep a little longer in the morning. In the evening, many people like to relax with their family. They sit together, eat dinner, and talk about their week. Some people like to do quiet hobbies, such as drawing pictures, learning a new language, or playing the guitar. Quiet activities help people feel calm and ready for a new week. What about you? Do you prefer to stay inside or go outside in your free time? Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about the video to check if you understood me. You can write your answers in the comments down below. Question number 1. What can you do on a warm, sunny day according to the text? Question number 2. What do some people do on Saturday and Sunday morning? Question number 3. What are 2 examples of quiet hobbies mentioned in the text? Okay, remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for more English podcasts and lessons. And remember, practice makes perfect. Goodbye for now.